Okay. So, ano-anong mga drugs yung mga nakita natin dito sa loob ng bahay, sir?
It appears na yung mga drugs, almost all classes of drugs. We have marijuana, kush, we have cocaine, we have shabu, and also it includes those vape products who has marijuana oil as component of the products.
So, sa itong mga suspect natin, may mga ano ho yung paano yung ginagawa nila na pagbebenta?
Based sa aming based on our investigation, online the transaction occurs through online, wherein the buyer will contact the sellers through online. They make the transaction through online. Then there is already a pre-packed item wherein they are going to pick up in this location. Then the persons who were arrested, they are the one who give the item to those couriers, and the couriers will deliver it to the prospective buyers.
So, paano nyo natiso ditong maglibin na to, sir?
This is through the information that was gathered by our intelligence officers, at the same time ng drug enforcement unit natin, at also yung mga information from our barangays, from our tanods. Sila po ang magbibigay sa amin ng information na mayroon pong mga tumatambay dito na mga sasakyan na who are having drivers that are they just park here with the engine on, then after a few minutes leave this. Was confiscated. Some were packed locally, but others were generally they are packed from abroad due to the markings on the items confiscated.
Napakalaki po nitong volume, sir. Ano pong classification nitong mga nahuli natin? Tsaka kabilang ba sila sa grupo o ano?
They are not listed on our watch list, but this is a big accomplishment with regards to our PNP, especially in QCPD, wherein we have an intensive drive against illegal transport.
Sir, congratulations po. Thank you very much.
Thank you.